Here's a list of top 5 youngest cricketer to make their ODI debut. Hassan Raza created quite a sensation when he burst into the international scene back in the 90s, only because of his age. At 14 years and 227 days before Raza broke it, it was Pakistan's Mushtaq Mohammed who had held the record for being the youngest to play international cricket at the age of 15 years and 224 days back in 19. Aqib Javed, Pakistan. He made his debut at the age of 16 years and 189 days against New Zealand at Wellington in 1989. Sachin Tendulkar, India. Sachin Tendulkar made his famous debut against Pakistan at Karachi in 1989. Even as a young kid of 16 years and 205 days, facing Wasim Akram. Aftab Baloch, Pakistan. The fourth Pakistani on the list. Aftab Baloch is a name that not many know of, and yet he had made news when he made his Test debut at the age of 16 years.